How to install YouTube Music app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application. As you launch the Play Store application, simply tap on the search bar and search for the option of YouTube Music. As you search for YouTube Music, here you can see the option of install, so tap on install. Now with proper Wi-Fi connection, and if not Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So with proper connection, you can have your app downloaded as fast as possible. So while it's installing, you just need to wait for a few more seconds and the app will be installed on your device. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it shall be installed in our Android. So the process of installing might depend on different processes or different connections. So this is how YouTube Music will look like. You can listen to different musics over here and you do not have to go through YouTube altogether. So that's how you install YouTube Music app on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.